says you're supposed to get there by 15 minutes on Google Maps, so.
Maybe Google Maps should drive you then.
Excuse me?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Will, and this is an episode of The Best Humans of New York.
Hi,
Yeah,
can you move up?
sure. How are you doing?
Good. Let's take First Avenue.
Sorry?
Let's take First Avenue.
Okay.
So turn left.
Okay.
And let's turn the music off. I'm on a call right now.
Okay.
Listen, lady, I understand you're on an important phone call, but I hope you know that I don't charge extra for you to say please. It's absolutely free. I feel like you mistook me for your butler. While you're watching me struggle to take that left turn she wanted, which by the way was the longer way, I realized I forgot to check her rating. She was a 4.09, which in Uber driver world, that means you're a bad rider. 3 minutes later, stuck in the same block.
Can I try to hurry, please?
Hurry.
Yes.
I'm gonna drive the way I drive. I don't want to get a ticket. Thank you, though.
It says you're supposed to get there by 15 minutes on Google Maps, so.
Maybe Google Maps should drive you then.
Excuse me?
You should probably get another car, miss.
I can't right now, I'm on a call.
Not my problem.
Can you just drive me to my destination, please?
No, because you came in disrespectfully and now you're asking me to
How did
hurry.
I come in disrespectfully?
You give me 5 different orders. I'm not gonna argue with you. Exit
I
my
can't,
car,
I'm
please.
on a call right now, I'm sorry, I really can't. This is a work
Okay,
call, it's
well,
really important.
That's not
I'm
my
taking
problem.
notes right now.
Well, you're gonna be charged for every minute you stay in the car.
Okay, but I'm not paying for it, so can you please drive?
No.
She did pay for it.
Because I have to, I'm on a call. Like,
You don't have to do
understand what a
anything.
job is? Like,
No, I don't. Exit the car. You're being very rude. Please, miss. I have a job to do too. I'm not gonna drive
Can
someone.
I please I need
Excuse
to
me.
listen to my call.
That's your problem. Exit out. That's very rude.
Thank you.
I love you too.
You can say that being a rideshare driver is a thankless job. I mean, I did drive her down that block. She could have said something like, "Thank you for driving me down that block." F you. That would have been a little bit more polite. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed my content, please subscribe. I will try to post a video every single Wednesday.